Thought I'd put this video out there just so everybody knows in the world how to connect your power cables from your battery to your 15 horse 2020 EFI Mercury outboard kicker, pro kicker. So this guy here is your negative lead, and this is your positive lead. At first I thought the negative was going to be this guy, but that's not right. Just for all of you having issues with getting that figured out, there's not a lot out there to find it out, but that's it. I'll add the schematic from Mercury to this video. Good luck with your project.